Hello everyone, this is Becky here and I am on our wool page in our Vävstuga web store, and I'm eager to show you how to use this yarn playground in case you haven't used it lately. And I'm going here to our new 6/2 blanket wool, which we have just gotten up onto our website. We're very excited about it. Let's scroll down here to look at all of these beautiful colors, and we'll just get so I can see a little bit of all the colors. This is our yarn playground. So how can we see what some of these look like next to each other? If I put that there, I can just click and drag these little squares over. See that? Isn't that fun? And what colors do I want to play with? Some of these yellows and greens are catching my eye. But how do I know which ones are going to be the best combination? I'm just going to put a bunch of them over here. I've already got that one, maybe this one. And what else? You can see as I drag things over, it keeps expanding the size of the box. Ooh, maybe that orangey thing. And maybe one of these teal colors. Maybe that one. Black is always useful. And I don't know, maybe not that one. I can get rid of that one. If ones that I know don't fit in, I don't think that one fits in. I can mess around till I think I have a good palette that's worth further exploration. When I'm ready to explore this a little further, I'm wondering if I'm missing something important. Let's see, what's that? That's grass. And maybe that one I didn't have. We can go to the full-sized yarn playground right here. And now I can actually put these where I want. And so which green is best? That's like a yellowy green. What do they look like next to each other? That's the big question. So do I want them really close together in color, or do I want some contrast? We can just move them around, and oh, actually I kind of like that right there. I love some of these colors that are dyed over gray. A lot of these colors are dyed over different shades of gray, some lighter gray and some darker gray. I kind of like that. But maybe just a little bit of it. See, we can look at proportion this way. So that way it shows you less of these colors and maybe more of those colors. Do I want a darker red? It's kind of dark. If I take the black away, maybe this blue sort of acts as my black. Do I want both of these? Or do I want that one or that one? Actually, I like that rusty one. And ooh, maybe I want this. See, if I click on that, it puts it on top. If I click on this, it puts it on top. I might want the yellow. I have to move it a little to make it go on top. I'm kind of liking that. I'm going to put the yellow on top again. So that's just a little bit of the rusty color. And maybe just a little bit of, I'm going to order them that way. That's kind of good. Do I want the black too? I think I do. You know, I think I'm just going to go with that, which means we're going to get rid of these. Hey, go away. You can go away, you can go away some other day. Bye-bye, 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 bye-bye. Bye? Did somebody say bye? What if I want to buy all of these? First of all, let's just go ahead and look at them this way. See what we've picked out for ourselves. I think that would make a really nice blanket. So we can add all swatches to basket. And there they are, plus something down here from before, but we'll just look at the ones up here at the top. And I hope you've enjoyed exploring our yarn playground a little bit, and maybe you'll have as much fun with these new blanket yarns as I have just now. Bye for now.